Welcome to United van der Horst Ltd, India's largest, heavy engineering services provider. Part of Max Spare Group of companies, UVDHL has been servicing the heavy engineering sector. All in-house facilities, abilities to execute specialized jobs, and large job capacities have always been a USP of UVDHL. Specially designed to carry out large manufacturing and reconditioning jobs, UVDHL includes processes like honing, up to 12 meters, grinding, up to 15 meters, and specialized welding, CNC vertical turret lathes, and CNC horizontal turret lathes. Advanced chrome plating technologies, such as porous chrome and hard chrome plating. All our processes are approved by classified organizations, such as Lloyd's, IRS, ABS, DNV, and BV. In-house testing facilities and quality control ensure that your jobs withstand stress and strain of the extreme conditions found in a heavy industry environment, keeping up with the required performance, maximum quality, and fast response rates. With a 24-hour operational facility, Team UVDHL is obsessed with uninterrupted productivity. Computer-based automation and sophisticated range of machinery enables us to deliver solutions with exceptional precision and efficiency to all our clients from countries like US, UK, Middle East, Africa, Indonesia and Germany, along with Scandinavian countries. With Team UVDHL as your partner, no job is too big, across all heavy engineering manufacturing and re-engineering solutions.